mi tu po Sunday ni ser thiang lim na dan Bible chunga min ko mu thei an omani chuan dollar sang khat ka hlan renge Bible a chutiang dan om lova hei Catholic ko ran thiang lim dan liu liu ani Bible chuan sabat ni thiang lim taka ser tur ani ti hrengrang ro atia ma se Catholic chuan nilove ko ran thil ti theina mangin sabat ni hi kan thiat to mitinin sabat aya Sunday ser thiang lim to turin thu kan pe ni ti chuan khovel phum hian chu kan thu pek zana le Catholic thoina lan tinan Sunday lo ser thiang lim ta ni GN Right CSSR in an electorate Hartford Kansas February this song prayer sangka zaria somria le pali Protestant ko ran lo chu ma kum sangkha da tang to khan Catholic ko ran hian sabat ni chu Sunday a alo thak to ani Catholic Mirror September ni samni pathum sangkha zaria songko le pathum zona engni hinge sabat ni chana Saturday hi sabat ni ani zona engwange Saturday ni lovin Sunday kan serzok chana Saturday aya Sunday kan serzok na chanchu edi zathum samthum paruga laudi ke ro rel na khan Catholic ko ran Saturday thiang lim na chu Sunday ni alo som tak wangani Peter Gilman Converts Catechism saga zakwa som pek som nga zona Catholic hian sabat ni thak thleng turin mo kud ni ser turte siam chop turin thunei na anei rengam ni channa chudeng thunei na chunei lo se chon engma siam lawanga engni ma athak thleng hek lawang ma se thunei na nei wangin sabat ni po hi Saturday tang Sunday athak ta ni heting thak thleng na dan hi Bible a mu tur om lo Stephen Kinit Adoctrinal Catechism Pekza samsari le pali kumsangka zaria samli le paru hele ya hen ko ran pakhat pathian mi phor le phel chung changa thunei na sang tak ape ga om hremhun mai dil thlengin thunei na an nei ani chu chu heroman Catholic ko ran hi ni zona ko ran dang te hian engwange Sunday ni serve khel ni chana a chen chu pepasi thunei na in pathian dana thupek pathum na rin chanin thupek palina sabat thianglim takin iser turani ti pathum na da sabat ni chu Sunday ni a athak ta ni ma se Sunday hi sabat ani lo school na pangte point Sunday hi sarkar khata ni ma saber ani ti an hravek mi tu po Sunday ni ser thianglim na dam Bible chunga min ko mu thei an omani chuan dollar sang khat ka hlan renge Bible a chuteng dan om lova hei hi Catholic ko ran thiang lim dan liao liao ni Bible chuan sabat ni thiang lim taka ser tur ani ti hrengrang ro tia ma se Catholic chuan nilove ko ran thil ti theina mangin sabat ni hi kan chia to mitine sabat aya Sunday ser thiang lim to turin thu kan pe ni ti chuan khovel pumbian chu kan thu pek zana le Catholic thu oina lan tinan Sunday alo ser thiang lim ta ni GN Right CSSR in an electorate Hartford Kansas February ni sampriat kumsanga zaria samria le pali
I have repeatedly offered $1,000 to anyone who can prove to me from the Bible alone that I am bound to keep Sunday holy. There is no such law in the Bible. It is a law of the Holy Catholic Church alone. The Bible says, "Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy." The Catholic Church says, "No, by my divine power I abolish the Sabbath day and command you to keep holy the first day of the week." And lo, the entire civilized world bows down in a reverent obedience to the command of the Holy Catholic Church. T.N. Wright, CSSR, in a lecture at Hartford, Kansas, February 18, 1884. The Catholic Church for over 1,000 years before the existence of a Protestant, by virtue of her divine mission, changed the day from Saturday to Sunday. The Catholic Mirror, September 23, 1893. Question: which is the Sabbath day? Answer: Saturday, is the Sabbath day. Question: why do we observe Sunday instead of Saturday? Answer: we observe Sunday instead of Saturday because the Catholic Church in the Council of Laodicea, AD 336, transferred the solemnity from Saturday to Sunday. Peter Geierman, The Convert's Catechism of Catholic Doctrine, 2nd edition, 1910, page 50. Question: have you any other way of proving that the Church has power to institute festivals of precept? Answer: had she not such power, she could not have done that in which all modern religionists agree with her. She could not have substituted the observance of Sunday, the first day of the week, for the observance of Saturday, the seventh day, a change for which there is no scriptural authority. Stephen Keenan, A Doctrinal Catechism, page 174. There is but one church on the face of the earth which has the power, or claims power, to make laws binding on the conscience, binding before God, binding under penalty of hellfire. For instance, the institution of Sunday. What right has any other church to keep this day? You answer by virtue of the third commandment. The papacy changed the fourth commandment and called it the third, which says, "Remember that thou keep holy the Sabbath day." But Sunday is not the Sabbath. Any schoolboy knows that Sunday is the first day of the week. I have repeatedly offered $1,000 to anyone who will prove by the Bible alone that Sunday is the day we are bound to keep, and no one has called for the money. It was the Holy Catholic Church that changed the day of rest from Saturday, the seventh day, to Sunday, the first day of the week. T. Enright, CSSR, in a lecture delivered in 1893.
Thank you, Bishop.